Hey, what's up guys? My name is Austin Castro, and today I am coming to you from Six Flags Discovery Kingdom. We got a lot of things we got to check out here at Discovery Kingdom. Joining me, I got my friend Gus, who hasn't been here in quite a while.
Ooh, I am most excited about the Medusa because I hear they have a new thing on it for a 360 experience.
Right behind me, we have the VR 360-degree camera capture, which they nicknamed Wallace, which gives you a full perspective and point of view of what it's like to ride the ride.
Today we wanted to take the audience sitting at home, sitting on their computer, wherever they're sitting, and put them on Medusa the ride. Whether it's through a reverse point of view camera or through the 360 3D VR camera, where they put on headsets or just simply look at their phone and move their phone through the 360-degree space as they're riding Medusa the ride here at Six Flags Discovery Kingdom.
This is happening. Oh boy, here we go. Oh my God. Oh boy. It's a very early morning here at Six Flags, and you don't need coffee or caffeine when you're here on the biggest roller coaster in the park, the Medusa. I'm very excited, very ready to get woken up. How are you doing, Gus?
Pretty nervous on this ride, but let's hope that it goes on swimmingly.
Yay. Ah! Ah! Oh boy, here it goes. Ah! Yeah! My body's over. Ah! Ah! Woo! Yeah! Ah! Oh my God! Woo! Yes! Yeah! Oh my God! I'm wide awake now. Here we go. This is great. I'm having a great time. Ah! Oh my God! Yay! Ah! It's not done yet. Oh my God! Woo! Wow, that was pretty crazy. I'm about to lose my voice by the time we're done here. 10 out of 10 would definitely recommend if you're here at Discovery Kingdom, you gotta hit up the Medusa.
Always a good adrenaline rush.
Oh, up here, there's like this really fun ride. It's like the White Waterfalls ride. And the cool thing about it is there's these water squirters where you can squirt the people on there. I get a little bit of a kick out of squirting people with water. Are you ready to do this, Gus?
Ooh, I'm ready.
All right, here we go.
Button.
Remember, your cannon number 4 over here.
Here we go.
When it gets like right in front of us, or like right where that box is, I would shoot it. Just hook them just a little bit more. Oh! Wow. that was spicy. Here we go. Ah. Oh. Yeah. Wow. That was fun. Yikes. Oh my God. All 3 of them at the same time. Good job, Gus.
Yes.
Yes. Hey. We got it. It was a red one. Yes.
Now you
We got this. So Gus got the little emoji keychain, and I got this eggplant hat. Nothing says a fun trip to Six Flags like a hat with an eggplant.
So I'm here in enclosement with a giraffe, and I'm about to give it the interview of its life. Excuse me, Mr. Giraffe. Mr. Giraffe. How'd you get so tall? How many vertebrae you got? Every mammal has 7 vertebrae. Just let that knowledge sink in. Excuse me, where are you from? Yeah, what are you doing right now that Toys R Us is closed? So here's a very fun fact when it comes to snakes. In the zoology community, snakes are actually known colloquially as danger noodles. Very dangerous. I'm trying to speak its language. Life is crazy, yo.
All right, right, so we have reached the end of our super fun day here at Six Flags Discovery Kingdom. What do you think of today?
Oh, it was amazing. I loved every ride, especially the Medusa.
Yeah, and of course we got to check out a lot of awesome animals, and if you want to see this park yourself, be sure to head over to Vallejo to see Six Flags Discovery Kingdom in person. My name is Austin Castro,
My name is Gustavo Garcia.
and until then, we will see you guys on the internet. We got to talk about what time it is. I don't know if you have a watch or anything, but Gus, you know what time it is?
It seems like it's time to have fun at Six Flags.
And look at where we are, Six Flags, so let's go and have some fun.